Hello, everyone! Welcome to Learn English with EduWorld. This is where learning English becomes simple and natural.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with EduWorld channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Anna.
Hi, Anna. It's so good to be here today. How are you?
I'm great, Kenny. Thank you. How are you?
I am so good. I am a little hungry, Anna.
Hungry already?
Yes, I am thinking about food. Lots of food. A big hamburger, fries, a big soda. Yum.
Wow, Kenny, that sounds delicious. You are making me hungry now, too.
Sorry, but it is a good idea for our podcast today.
Oh, that's a perfect idea. Let's talk about food. Let's talk about going to a restaurant.
Yes, a restaurant. Going to a restaurant and speaking English. It can be easy and fun.
Exactly. It's a great way to practice English. So today we will talk about English conversation at a restaurant.
That's a great topic. But first, everyone, please remember to subscribe to our channel, English with EduWorld. Learn English, connect with world.
Yes. And give this video a like if you are enjoyable like Kenny, and share it with your friends and family. It helps us a lot.
Yes, it does. Thank you, everyone.
So, Anna, a restaurant. I am at the door of the restaurant. What do I do? What do I say?
Good question. You open the door, you go in, and you see a person. This person is the host or the waiter. You smile and say hello or hi.
Hello. Simple. I can do that.
Yes, you can. Then you need a table. So you can say, a table for two, please.
Ah, a table for two, please, if it is me and you.
Exactly. Or a table for three, please, if you have another friend. So a table for, and then the number of people.
That's right. Simple.
A table for one, please, if you are alone. Okay. Hello. A table for one, please. And the waiter says,
The waiter will smile and say, "This way, please," or "Follow me, please."
and I follow the waiter to my table.
Yes. You sit down at the table. And what is the first thing you want at the table, Kenny?
The food?
Close. Before the food, you need the menu.
Ah, yes. The menu, to see the food, to choose the food.
Right. So, the waiter will maybe give you the menu, or you can ask for it.
How do I ask for the menu in English?
You can say, "Can I have the menu, please?"
Can I have the menu, please? That is very polite.
Yes, please is a very good word to use in a restaurant. It's very friendly.
Okay, so I have the menu. I open it. I see many words. Starters, main courses, desserts, drinks.
Wow, look at you, Kenny. Yes, starters are the small food you eat first, like soup or a small salad.
Soup. I like soup. Tomato soup is good.
Me too. So you look at the starters, then you look at the main courses.
The main course is the big food, right? The principal dish.
Yes, exactly. Like chicken, fish, pasta, or your hamburger.
Hamburger. And what is a dessert?
Dessert is the sweet food you eat at the end, like cake, ice cream, or fruit.
I love dessert. Chocolate cake is my favorite.
Ooh, chocolate cake is a great choice. And finally, drinks.
Drinks are things like water, juice, or soda.
Perfect. You know all the words, Kenny.
I am learning.
So the waiter comes to my table. He has a small notebook. He smiles. What does he say?
He will probably ask, "Are you ready to order?"
Are you ready to order? And I can say, yes, I am.
Yes, or you can say, yes, please. Or if you need more time, you can say, just a minute, please.
That's very useful. Just a minute, please. Okay, but I am hungry. I am ready. So I say, yes, I am.
Great! Now it's time to order your food. This is the fun part.
How do I say it? Do I say, I want a hamburger?
I want is okay, but a more polite way is, I would like, or I'll have.
I would like. Ah, that sounds nice. So I can say, I would like the hamburger, please.
That is perfect. The waiter will understand that 100%.
Okay, I would like the hamburger. What else can I say? You said, I'll have.
Yes, I'll have. It's short for I will have. You can say, I'll have the hamburger, please.
I'll have the hamburger. It sounds very natural. I like it.
So let's practice. I am the waiter in a friendly waiter voice. Hello, are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I would like the tomato soup to start, please.
Okay, tomato soup. And for your main course?
I'll have the hamburger, please.
Excellent choice. And would you like anything to drink?
Ah, the drink. I forgot. What do I say?
Same thing, I would like, or I'll have.
Okay, I would like a soda, please.
Perfect.
So that's 1 tomato soup, 1 hamburger, and 1 soda. The waiter might repeat the order to check to make sure it is correct.
Yes, exactly. And you can just say, yes, that's right, thank you.
Thank you. Another very good polite word. Always.
So you order your food, then you wait. You can talk with your friend, and then the food arrives. The best moment, it is the waiter brings the food and says, "Enjoy your meal."
Enjoy your meal.
And what do I say?
You say, thank you.
Okay, so the food is on my table. My hamburger looks so good.
And my salad looks fresh and yummy.
During the meal, maybe the waiter comes back.
Yes, the waiter might ask, is everything okay?
And if it is good, I can say,
You can say, yes, it's delicious, or yes, everything is great. Thank you.
Delicious. That's a good word. D-E-L-I-C-I-O-U-S.
Yes, it means very, very good, like your hamburger.
My hamburger is delicious. What if I need something like more water?
Ah, good question. You try to make eye contact with the waiter. When they come by, you can say, excuse me.
Excuse me, to get their attention.
Right. And then you say, can I have some more water, please?
Can I have some more water, please? Or can I have some more bread, please?
Yes. Or another soda. Can I have another soda, please?
This is very useful. It's all very simple and polite.
It is. The key words are please and thank you.
Okay, I finished my delicious hamburger. I am very full and happy.
Me too. My salad was great. But what about dessert?
Oh, dessert! How could I forget the chocolate cake?
The waiter might come and take your empty plates. He might ask, would you like to see the dessert menu?
And I say, yes, please, very fast.
So you look at the dessert menu, you see the chocolate cake, and when the waiter comes back, you say,
I would like the chocolate cake, please.
perfect. You are a pro, Kenny.
It is easy when you explain it, Anna.
So I eat my delicious cake. It is delicious. Now I am really, really full.
The meal is finished. It was wonderful. Now it's time to pay.
Ah, the bill. The money part.
Yes. So again, you get the waiter's attention. Excuse me.
Excuse me. And then,
You can say, "Can I have the bill, please?" Or, "The check, please."
bill or check. They are the same.
Yes. In the UK, people say bill more. In the US, people say check more. But everyone understands both.
Okay, so the bill, please, is fine.
It's perfect. The waiter will bring a small piece of paper with the total price.
And I can pay with cash or with a credit card.
That's right. You can say, "Do you take credit cards?" if you are not sure.
Good tip. And when I give the money or the card, I can say, "Here you are."
Here you are. Yes, very natural. They take your payment and they bring it back.
And that's it. I am ready to go.
Yes, you can stand up, and as you leave, you can smile at the waiter and say thank you. Goodbye.
That's a nice way to end. Thank you. Goodbye. It really is. It shows you liked the food and the service. So let's do a very fast review. It's a role play. You are the waiter. I am the customer from start to finish.
Great idea. I love role play. Okay. Hello, sir. Welcome.
Hello. A table for one, please.
Of course. This way, please. Here is your table.
Thank you. Can I see the menu, please?
Certainly. Here you are. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I would like the chicken with vegetables, please.
An excellent choice. Anything to drink?
Yes, I'll have a glass of water, please.
Perfect. 1 chicken with vegetables and 1 water. I'll be right back with your drink.
Thank you.
Wow, Anna, you are doing so well. This is fun.
It makes it easy to remember.
It does. It shows the whole conversation from hello to ordering to what's next.
The food arrives.
Here is your chicken and your water. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. It looks great.
Is everything okay?
Yes, it's delicious. Thank you.
Wonderful. Let me know if you need anything.
So you finish your food?
Yes, I am finished. It was so good. Now I need to pay. Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
Can I have the bill, please?
Of course, right away. Here is your bill.
Thank you. Here you are.
Thank you, sir. I'll be right back. Here is your card and your receipt. Thank you for everything. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a great day.
Wow, that was the whole thing. It seems so simple now.
It is simple. The phrases are short and easy to remember. A table for, can I have, I would like, and the bill, please.
And always please and thank you.
Always. Politeness is key. It makes everyone feel good.
I feel more confident now. I think I can go to a restaurant and order in English.
I know you can, Kenny. And everyone listening can too. Just start simple. Order something you know, like fish and chips or a cheese pizza.
That's a good idea. Don't choose something with a very long, difficult name at first.
Right. Keep it simple and smile. A smile is understood in every language.
A smile and please. That's my new strategy.
It's a perfect strategy. It will work every time.
What about you? What is your favorite food to order at a restaurant?
Ooh, I love pasta. Any kind of pasta. Pasta with tomato sauce is my favorite. It's simple and always delicious.
A classic choice. Very nice. What about you, Paul? Besides a hamburger.
I do like other food. I really like pizza. A big pizza with cheese and mushrooms.
Pizza is a fantastic choice. Now I am thinking about pizza.
See, we always end up hungry on this podcast.
It's true. But I hope our conversation today was helpful for everyone listening.
I hope so too. Remember, practice is important. You can even practice at home with a friend or family member.
Yes, one person is the waiter and one person is the customer, just like we did. It really helps.
It does. And don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's okay. People are usually very friendly and will help you.
That's the most important tip, Paul. Just try. People will appreciate that you are speaking their language.
Exactly. So I think that's a lot of great information for one episode.
I agree. It was a delicious episode. That is all the time we have for today. Thank you all so much for listening.
Yes, thank you. We hope you feel more ready to visit a restaurant and order in English. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, English with EduWorld channel, so you don't miss our next episodes.
And please share this episode with anyone who is learning English. It's a great way to help them too. And for today's comment, please tell us what is your favorite food to order at a restaurant?
Ooh, yes, I want to read the comments. Tell us your favorite food. Is it pizza, pasta, a hamburger? Let us know.
We look forward to reading your answers. Thank you again for joining us. Until next time, keep practicing and keep smiling. Goodbye, everyone.
That's a great topic.
Hey, hi everyone. Please remember to subscribe to English with EduWorld channel. Learn English, connect with world.
Yes. And
That's right.
if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to our channel, English with EduWorld channel, and give this episode a big thumbs up, a like.
That's right.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to our channel, English with EduWorld channel, and give this episode a big thumbs up, a like.
Goodbye for now.